Yeah, good morning, friends. Welcome to my channel. If anybody having knowledge in Azure data engineering, so they have a number of jobs in ITS sector. So one of the company, Stratonic, asking some Azure data engineers. So they will give a good package. So if anybody want to apply for this, I will arrange this link in description box and apply from that. So we will go through job description, primary skills. So they know very well about Azure Databricks, PySpark, Python, Azure Data Factory, Data Lake, Synapse, and ESQL Data Warehouse. Preferred skills is DevOps, OLAP, data warehousing, and data modeling. Hands-on experience in MySQL, MSQL Server, and Oracle are similar RDBMS platforms. Developing big data pipelines using Azure and open source big data tools and technologies. Knowledge in data lake, Delta Lake, and data warehouse solutions on Azure. So, experience of extracting data from APIs and cloud services. That is Salesforce and so please go through all things. This is a good role. So who have knowledge in Azure data engineering, they must apply for this job and they will arrange a good salary or package. So this is a permanent and full-time role. So education is any graduate and any post-graduation. So I will give this job link in description. So if anybody want to apply, please go there and click and apply for the job. Thank you guys. Thank you very much.